So we're in the parking lot of the Real Canadian Superstore picking up our PC Express order. It is Saturday morning. I placed an order 2 weeks ago and have been adding to it. Biggest grocery order I've ever made, nearly $300, 80 items total. And my man Gordon's here with me picking up the groceries today. What did we just learn, man?
It is actually for tomorrow, April 19th, and not...
What do you mean? Today's not April 19th?
No, it's 18th.
So these 80 items that I've been counting on getting for the past 2 weeks we're not getting them today, we're getting them tomorrow.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do for lunch? I've got nothing. I ate it. We ate everything in the house.
We did?
No.
Yeah.
No, there's soup. It's not Superstore's fault. It's entirely whose fault? My fault. Just because I don't know what day it is anymore.
Because of this whole entire break.
This whole break
stopped my dad from keeping track on what day it is.
Yeah, I gotta get back. I have to do the noon news now.
Oh my gosh.
Beavers. Who's missing school? You're missing school, Gordon?
Mm-hmm.
Are you having too much fun at home?
No, because I actually don't like school.
Oh, dear.
Do you play Minecraft already?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I play Minecraft too. I have it on my tablet.
I play on like 2 mods.
Now it's April 21st, and we filled up a couple of yard waste bags with leaves that we failed to pick up last fall, and I would have loved to have followed up with some more today, but look. Yay, late April. It's Earth Week, or Earth Day soon, or Earth Week was the other day, I don't know. But we're going to learn about making what?
Paper.
Recycled paper.
Recycled paper.
Where do you think paper comes from?
From scratch, not from like other pieces of paper.
That's right.
Trees.
Trees have cellulose fiber in them. You smash up the trees and make them into mush, and you got paper. So if you take old paper, which is made of cellulose fiber,
And you smash that into mush, you can get the same result.
I think we've used some painter's tape to stick some window screen on top of a glass baking pan so the water can drain out. We have shredded paper, and we have a blender. We're gonna make a mess, but we're not making that big of it.
Oh my gosh, that is a big mess.
What kind of liquid should we put in there?
Water.
Water? You don't make paper with milk? This blender has been used 290 times. Looks like coleslaw.
Oh my.
And so we are left with
This.
the best smoothie ever.
Now we have this. And now we need to wait for all the water to dry, to drain out.
Dun, 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 dun. Blip, blip, blip. Blop, blop, blop. What does that look like to you?
I think it looks like a bunch of flat mush.
Yeah. Makes me want Rice Krispie squares. Because this one over here, that could be Rice Krispie squares. But yeah, but let's leave it out here in the sun, and I don't know how long it'll take to dry, but
We'll catch it back when that's done.
okay. And the daffodils are still there.
Yes.
It's now Thursday morning, according to Gordon. I don't know whether to believe him, but what do we see here?
How about you ask Google?
Yeah, we will. What do we see here?
Paper is wet paper.
It's still wet. It's like the mush has not dried.
It's perfect paper, but it's just wet.
So now it's Friday. Wow, this week has really gone by. Earth Day was this week. What did you learn about Earth Day?
I learned about the 3 R's, why we do Earth Day. April 22nd.
Every year?
Yeah.
2-3 days. This paper was wet. How is it now?
very, very dry. You should feel it. It feels very crumbly.
Crumbly, huh?
Yeah,
It doesn't. I wonder why it doesn't feel like a regular sheet of paper.
probably because we added so much water.
Yeah.
Or maybe because we didn't add enough water, because most paper can bend. Not this.
Yeah, it's
This is
more-
not the paper that you want to make paper airplanes with.
What kind of paper does this remind you of? So egg cartons are made out of recycled paper. Cool. Yeah, because it doesn't have to be nice and fine and flat to write on. It just has to protect the eggs and not poison them.
Yes.
Good deal. So we got the paper set out, and so that's a win.
For your bird nesting station.
Yes.
1. Something to put stuff in.
All right, get to it. Start putting some stuff in your station, and then we'll hang this outside and give the birds their version of Rona or Home Depot. Well, the kitty is in no mood to be combed, and she has very fine hair too, so...
Yeah, there's a bird trying to get some stuff for its nest right now, so I'm walking fast. Twine.
Yeah! Where do we keep the twine? Here's some twine.
We've got it. This is the final result. It's a nesting station. Bone bendy scraps of paper, dead grass, cat hair, and lots of regular scraps of paper.
Okay, now let's hang it up.
It's already tied.
Let's put a camera up in the front window,
Okay?
and we'll see if we catch any birdies
Okay.
using it to shop for their nesting materials.